Farmers, welcome to day number 23, and we will be looking at litter quality is a health report. It's a thought that we can share. By day 23, your litter tells you more than your birds do. Good litter equals to good management. Bad litter, there's a problem that has already been active. If you ignore the flaw, you will pay later. Here are 5 points why I say so. Number 1, dry litter means healthy birds. Healthy birds litter should be dry, loose, and not have a strong smell. Dry litter shows proper water management, good ventilation, and a balanced feed. Point number 2, wet litter is not just messy. Wet litter causes ammonia buildup. You know that poison smell we talked about? It causes foot pad burns underneath the bird's feet. It causes breast blisters because the birds literally sit in their breasts, and also respiratory stress where the birds cannot breathe because of the litter that has been polluted. Right. So the birds may still eat, but growth and quality will suffer. Point number 3, water is the main cause of wet litter. Think about it. Most wet litter comes from leaking drinkers that are too low, birds playing in water. Believe me, you will find birds playing in water, splashing. Number 4, excess water pressure. So when there's too much water coming down your system. Number 4, ammonia damages before you even smell it. So if ammonia burns your eyes, if the ammonia in the coop smells strong, your birds have already been affected. The ammonia damages the bird's lungs, the bird's eyes, and the bird's long-term immunity. Once damaged, growth never really fully recovers. All you'll be doing is raising birds with illnesses, hoping for the best and hoping that they don't die before you sell them. Farmers. Point number 5 is farmers can clean too late. Many wait until the birds are coughing, their feet are burned. By then, the profit is already lost. You're already deep in the loss, in the negative, for you to come up with a miracle that might prevent this from happening. And this is how it hurts our pockets. Slower growth will be the outcome. Lower carcass quality, meaning the bird's bones will be weak. There will be more medicine that you use trying to heal and repair the damage that has been done. Rejected birds at sale. Why? Because the birds will be sick, birds will be weak, birds will be, of a low quality. And that is how we lose money. We lose money twice, from the growth and from the quality of the birds. So what do we do on day number 23? We check our litter daily by hand. Touch it, understand it, feel it, and work your way through it. Fix leaking drinkers immediately. Raise your drinkers so that birds who align with the bird's back height. Improve the airflow so that the moisture within the bedding is not too wet, and you remove any wet patches where necessary. In one sentence, your floor knows your mistakes before your birds show them. If you enjoyed this level of content, I've created a Broiler Gems booklet, easy to read, easy to follow, that will help you raise your broilers from chicks to adult broilers and start seeing and making profits. See you in the next video.